Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into this video, we just want to thank you guys so much for all your support and your nice comments. So for today's video, it's going to be a different video from all of our previous videos because today we're making a carrot cake, which is super healthy and as well super delicious. That we're also going to be adding to it some cinnamon, which will make it even more delicious and more flavored. So let's just get on straight into the ingredients. So for our first step, we're going to be adding 4 eggs with 1 pinch of salt and 150 grams of sugar. So now that we have mixed everything, we're going to be adding 150 grams of oil and some natural yogurt. Now we're going to be adding 100 grams of carrots to 150 grams of walnuts. So now we're going to be adding 16 grams of baking powder to 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 300 grams of flour. So now we're going to put our mixture into our baking bowl, and you can use any type, any shape of bowl, like if it's a round one, circle one, doesn't matter. We're going to be cooking this for 13 minutes at 180 degrees. So now we're going to be making our cream cheese, which we would be adding 5 cheese, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 200 milliliters of whipped cream. So our cake just got out of the oven. It looks super delicious. Now you can or leave it like this, or you can also decorate it. It's of course optional. You can decorate it with some ice sugar. Now we're going to be decorating it, and this is the way we're going to decorate it. If you want, you can follow the tutorial, and if you don't, you can just decorate it the way you want it, or leave it the way it is. So our cake just got done. We are right now cutting it, and it is and looks super delicious. It was super soft, and the flavor was just so amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification button. See you guys in the next video. Bye.